Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can rearrange or move your songs on your Spotify playlist. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be mentioning how you can change the sorting method and how you can manually rearrange them through this solution on the community post. So let's get right into it. Now, to change the sorting of your playlist, what you need to do is open up the playlist and swipe down, and the sort and filter options should appear at the very top of the window. And if they don't, you need to check if Smart Shuffle is enabled, toggle it off, and then after you click on the options, you just need to tap the sort button and select the order you would like to sort the playlist in. And this only works on premium. Let me just mention that before I continue. But to manually rearrange the songs in your playlist, you just need to swipe down and tap the three dots menu and select edit. And from there, you'll see three bars on the right of every song. You just need to tap and hold these three bars just to drag the song wherever you want it. And once you figure it out where you want it, you just tap save in the top right and it will save your changes. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.